Hey everybody, this is to do the A1 sheet and go through how to do that. What you're basically going to do is go here to your insert, your edit, copy with base point. You're going to select here. Once you've drawn your floor plan, you're just going to select the outside edge that you want to do the roof line to. So we'll go through and do this here. Okay. So we got that right there. And it should say one object found, so we know it's. Then we'll go ahead and I'll open up a drawing I've already got open, but we can just go here and say new. You can go to file new and just create a new one. Again, I want to make sure you go through the limits and the units and make sure everything's the same when you paste it in a new drawing, because if you don't, then it's not going to work right. You go to edit, paste. So there's my existing outside edge there. Now what I'm going to do is go through here, offset it 2 foot. So I've got the 2 foot there and 2 foot here, and I'll go ahead and just make this an edge here because this isn't exactly the exact plan you'll be doing. Okay, but again, it just shows you what you're going to do. Go through here, do your fillet. I hit F for fillet, spacebar to repeat the last command. Okay, so go like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is going to draw a 45 here. Now, we're actually going to go through and create some line types. So I'll go back to go here to I created a dash line, so I went through and created color and just load the line type. So I click load, pick the one I wanted, and then I just selected the line type there. And then I'm going to create a wall layer. And most of the time it's just called a wall, a whatever when you work at an architecture firm. And the reason why is so someone else can take over the drawing if you're not there. You can go here and change this from a dash to solid line. So again, I want to make sure it's not on layer 0, but all different layers that like you work at a firm. Okay. So I can go through and select this and just make sure this is on that separate a wall layer. Okay, and we'll go here to a wall. Okay, and then I'll change this to the dashed here, and I can even do the match properties here, which is a paintbrush, to go through and show you how to, once I select that thing. Okay, so there's my plan. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and draw a 45-degree angle. Turn the F8 off, go here to 45 degrees. Okay, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and mirror that 45-degree angle. Now normally you would not draw this the way I'm doing it, because in this situation normally you would just draw a big square roof and just have this sort of be not there, but I'm just doing it this way because similar to what you're doing. Go like this. I'll click on the copy, click here, again go to copy here, I'll go to fillet, and I go to copy here like that, and go to copy here and here. And then we'll go like that. So what we're going to do here in this situation is copy this again. So we're going to make sure that we can get this close to what it's going to be. Again, copying the 45-degree angles once I get that in place. And then I'll go through and fillet these and see where those intersect. And you guys can see right there, that's where the top of the roof is going to be. And again, one last step I have to do is go here to copy here. I have to make sure that I copy it to this area right here, as well as copying it here as well. I kind of messed that up. So let me go through and pull this down a little bit, because these should line up with the other things as well here. and all I gotta do is connect those two lines. So that's how you get the complicated sort of roof on this project. Okay, so once I get that all done, and I go through and draw the and again, when you're drawing the site plan, you want to go ahead and draw the two side ones, and you're going to go in and draw the other components as well. What you're going to do is go to your layout again. You're going to right click, go to Page Setup Manager, modify, and make sure it's on Architectural D24x36, and then go here and again do the same thing. You can go ahead and go back to your other one that you had done once you've got your little name of your company or whatever you can call it here. And again, stay away from anything that says architectural or anything that has to be licensed. You can call yourself Bob's Drafting Service, whatever, that's fine. Or just, make up whatever name you want to. You're going to draw the border out here. You can copy and paste it from the other one. So I can go back to my other one here, and just great thing about this program, and let's say I've got this all drawn up here. I've got my little circles here for, I'll go here to edit again, copy with base points, select it, and then what I can do is go back, minimize this one, and then I can just go here to edit and then just paste it in there. So once you've drawn the border once, you don't have to go back through, and I can just erase the other one there. So there we go. And all you gotta do in this situation is click here, turn the grid off, and then you can control the scale here. And then so that's once you get the border all drawn there, that'll work out. And hope that helps you guys out.